Hi everyone, welcome back to Healthora TV. I'm Dr. Emily Carter, and today we're talking about one of the world's most loved fruits, bananas. They're sweet, convenient, and available everywhere, but do you know how powerful they are for your health? And did you know there are several delicious ways to cook with bananas beyond just peeling and eating them raw? By the end of this video, you'll not only understand why bananas are called a superfruit, but also learn simple, doctor-approved ways to include them in your meals for maximum benefit. Bananas are rich in potassium, a mineral crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure. This single nutrient helps balance fluids in your body, prevents muscle cramps, and supports heart function. Most people don't get enough potassium in their daily diet, and adding just one banana a day can help meet your body's needs. Bananas are also high in vitamin B6, which plays a big role in energy production and brain health. It helps your body convert food into energy, making bananas a perfect pre- or post-workout snack. Plus, vitamin B6 supports mood regulation, which is why bananas are often called nature's happy fruit. Another amazing benefit of bananas is their fiber content. A medium banana provides about 3 grams of fiber, which supports digestion and helps keep you feeling full longer. This makes them a smart choice if you're trying to manage weight naturally. Fiber also helps regulate blood sugar levels, making bananas a better choice than many sugary snacks. Speaking of sugar, bananas do contain natural sugars, but their high fiber content slows down absorption, preventing major spikes in blood sugar for most people. This makes them an excellent energy booster for athletes, kids, and anyone needing a quick pick-me-up during the day. Bananas are also packed with antioxidants like dopamine and vitamin C. These antioxidants protect your cells from oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and boost immunity. Eating bananas regularly can help your body fight off illnesses and recover faster from stress or exercise. Now, let's talk about bananas and gut health. Slightly green bananas contain resistant starch, a special type of fiber that acts as food for the healthy bacteria in your gut. This promotes better digestion, improves nutrient absorption, and may even help regulate your metabolism. Beyond their health benefits, bananas are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can enjoy them raw, cooked, or blended into countless recipes. Here are some doctor-approved cooking tips to get the most out of bananas. First, if you're craving dessert but want to keep it healthy, try frozen banana ice cream. Simply slice ripe bananas, freeze them, and blend until creamy. You'll get a naturally sweet, dairy-free treat without added sugar. Second, bananas make an excellent egg substitute in baking. 1 mashed banana equals 1 egg, perfect for pancakes, muffins, or brownies. This not only adds natural sweetness but also boosts the nutritional value of your baked goods. Third, try banana oatmeal pancakes for breakfast. Mash a banana, mix it with oats and a splash of milk, cook on a non-stick pan, and you've got a high-fiber, protein-rich meal that keeps you full for hours. Another tip, use slightly overripe bananas for banana bread or smoothies. Overripe bananas are sweeter, softer, and perfect for reducing added sugar in recipes. Pair them with cinnamon or nut butter for extra flavor and healthy fats. Bananas also pair beautifully with savory dishes. In some cultures, plantains, a close cousin of bananas, are cooked in stews or fried as side dishes. You can adapt similar methods with regular bananas, especially grilled or baked with spices like cinnamon or cardamom for a unique twist. A popular health trend is banana overnight oats. Combine rolled oats, milk, mashed banana, chia seeds, and a pinch of cinnamon. Leave it overnight in the fridge, and by morning you have a ready-to-eat, nutrient-packed breakfast. If you enjoy smoothies, bananas are the perfect base. Their creamy texture blends well with spinach, berries, protein powder, or even peanut butter. A simple smoothie of banana, almond milk, and cocoa powder makes a quick post-workout drink that's both energizing and satisfying. When it comes to portion control, 1 to 2 bananas per day is ideal for most people. If you're watching sugar intake, pair bananas with protein or healthy fats, like Greek yogurt or nut butter, to balance your blood sugar. Bananas are also budget-friendly and available year-round, making them one of the most accessible superfoods out there. Whether you're a busy parent, student, or athlete, having bananas on hand is an easy way to boost your nutrition without extra cost. Before we wrap up, let's address a common question. Is it safe to eat bananas every day? For most people, absolutely. Unless you have specific kidney issues or are on medications that affect potassium levels, bananas are safe and beneficial to include daily. So, next time you see bananas at the store, don't just think of them as a snack, think of them as a versatile ingredient for smoothies, baking, breakfasts, and even healthy desserts. Your body will thank you for the potassium, fiber, and natural sweetness they bring to your diet. Thank you for watching Healthora TV. If you learned something new about bananas today, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more.